Sixth graders, how are you guys? I hope everything is fine with you. Let's now solve our formative number 5. Attention over here for each question. Here's the instructions. I will not read these because we did in the classroom. Let's go ahead here, guys. What are the next two terms? Question 1, level 1. What are the next two terms in the following sequence? Explain your reasoning. Great. As we understand over here, as we learned from our last class, it is first step. It is, let's understand the pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, great. And 35. Great. Nice. Everybody understand here? Answer. What is the pattern over here? It is previous member from previous member. Previous term. Okay? What does it mean, Mister? Do I need to explain? Yes. Are you adding 5 from where? Explain me where you are adding 5. Because other pattern we can have here, it is 5. Times 5. Times 5 from the position. Times 5 of the position. Yes? 5 times 1, 5. 5 times second position, 10. 5 times third position, 15. Did you understand now? You need to explain. If you give me any of these two, answer, it is correct. If it's not, it's wrong. Great. Some students just write plus 5. From where? You need to explain. Great. Translate each of the following phrases into a mathematical expression. Use whatever letter or symbol you like for the original number. The phrase here it is, take off 1 from a half of a number. Guys, taking off, take off. What does it mean? Subtraction. We know this already. Taking off who from who? I taking off 1 from a half a number. Half a number, something divided by 2. Is the number divided by 2, which is x divided by 2. I taking off from this guy here. My students just switch the positions. 1 minus a half a number is wrong because I'm taking off 1 from. Guys, read very well here the statement. I'm taking off 1 from a half a number. Great. Attention for the words taking off from, less than, subtracted from. Great, because we need the attention understanding here. I'm taking off from who to who. Great, attention over here. Translate. Guys, to translate, this is many ways to translate. This is very easy. But I will just write one example here. But all other ideas came from this. 2x plus 11. What does it mean? It is 2 times number like that. Great. If you write like this is one example, okay? All other ideas, I translate these into mathematical expression. This 1, 2x plus 11 is correct. Great. Let's go on next. Question 4. Identify the core of each pattern and circle it. Guys, what is the core of the pattern? It is the letters make or create the pattern. In this case here, well, Miguel, 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 Miguel. Oh, it's Miguel. circle. Oh, simple. Okay, what is the pattern here in the snake? Oh, mister, pattern in the snake, I notice it is the pattern over here is over here. Some students just identify one pattern, just in the name, and forgot the snake. Look, they identify the core of each pattern. How many patterns do I have here? 2. Great. Let's go ahead. 40. Level 2, question 5. Substitute the given number expression to find the value of the expression. Great. I need to substitute, guys. What does it mean, mister? I have x value equals 20. Then I will write this 20 over. Great. Attention, use this number here. 20 plus 16 divided by 6. Students make the equation equals 20. No! I'm not looking for which number may create the result 20. I'm telling you 20 is the variable. I will use the number 20 over the variable x. 20 plus 16 divided by 6, which is 36 divided by 6. Which number times 6 equals 36? Or how many times 6 goes to 36? The number is 6. Great. I hope everybody understand. Let's go ahead here for the next. Question 6. Attention here. The half of a medication prescribed by a doctor is 5 hours. What does it mean? I will drink the medication, a half of the medication, each 5 hours. Each 5 hours. I will drink the medication, a half of it. Great. Draw a table. How many milligrams of this medication is left over after 25 hours if the doctor prescribed 100 milligrams? A table. The first one here is hours. The second one is the milligrams. Notice it is each 5 hours. Okay, we start with 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oops, I need more. 125. Guys, in 0 hour, right now, the doctor gave me the bottle. What is left over there? 100 milligrams. After 5 hours, I will take a half of this bottle, which is 50. Again, after 5 hours, I will take another half of the medication. Well, I left over 50, a half of 50, 25. 5 hours, another half. Oh, mister, 12.5. Hours, another half, 12.5 divided by 2. Mister, now it's harder, but no, not much. 6.25. And 5 hours, another half, a half of 6, 3, half of 25, which is 1 to 5. That's why I told you we needed 3 significant figures, 3 decimals, because that. Great. This number here, as you notice, I'm looking for this guy. 25 hours, 3.125 milligrams I left over in the bottle. Now, you need attention. Some students just finish here. No, it's not done. Explain why or why not it is a linear or non-linear pattern. Guys, as we learn from our class, we know linear pattern, it is I have the same difference between each column, each member of the same column. Here, it is 5, adding 5, adding 5, adding 5. Great. Here, this side, okay, but mister, in the other side, let's check. Well, 100 to 50, we know is subtract 50. 25, to be linear, I need to subtract 50 again. I am subtracting 50 here. 5. Is it a linear pattern? Nope. Why? Because the difference is not the same. Just it. Just it. Pretty simple. We learned this. I talked to you many times about this pattern. Great. Question 7, level 3. Draw the next two shapes in the sequence below. Guys, ladybugs. Position 1, 1 ladybug. Position 2, 2 ladybugs. Position 3, 3 ladybugs. Position 4, 4 lady. 5, 5 deer. Great. Done. And the patterns in words. Remember, you need to explain. The pattern it is adding bug from the previous term. Great. Many students just write adding 1. Adding 1 from who? From where? Guys, I don't know. Just explain. If you're not explaining, it's incorrect. Term what the 126th term in the sequence would be without drawing it. How do you know? Guys, understand the pattern here. The pattern about the position, okay? Because we talk about the term. Well, we know the first position, 1 ladybug. Second position, 2 ladybugs. Third position, 3 ladybugs. Mister, we can create and make a table, yes. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. What is this relation, guys? Terms and position. It is great. It is a position, term, I write T for terms, okay, equals ladybugs. Okay? What do you mean, mister? First term or first position, 1 ladybug. Second term, 2 ladybugs. Third terms, 3 ladybugs. Or times 1. You can write like this, ladybugs times number 1. Great is the same thing. Now, as we know, the position 126, how many ladybugs will be there? 126. Because ladybugs times 1, 126 times 1 is it. Great. And here, the number 7,128 being the sequence. The equation here, the first one is the opposite. Okay, now I give you the quantity of ladybugs. Which position is that? As we know, it is times 1, our formula or equation, it is T equals L. Now I know the ladybug's quantity is 7,128. The term or position, it is 7,128. Just explain this. Explain why or why not. It is because terms equals ladybugs. Okay? We have this. Just if you write the equation for me or explain words, this idea is the same. Question 8. On the square grid, draw a pattern for the first 5 terms in this sequence that begins 9, 17, 25. Guys, here, let's start here drawing our patterns. Well, we know it is 9, the first one. Great. Okay, pattern number 1. Pattern number 2, it is 7. Guys, I not draw out everything because I use here, just like this. Pattern number 3, 25. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Pattern number 4. As you notice, the pattern it is adding 8. Adding 8. I think you notice here is adding 8. Okay. Then I will add more 8 here. Will be 1 is pattern number 5. I will draw everything here. Great. I think. Great, guys. I think I understand the pattern here, just drawing. Let's right now explain our working because here ask for us explain. I like to create tables, but it's up to you. Great. Position number 1. Okay, I will call here the X pattern. I will call this Y. Great. Or P for pattern, whatever. Great. Let's go over here. Our position it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write our equation. Position 1, 9. Position 2, 17. Position 3, 25. Adding 8 here, 33. Adding 8 again here would be 41. I like to explain using table. But it's up to you. Many students do it anything. Some students write adding 8. Adding 8 from where? And how? And we need to explain the equation. Without this explanation, it's impossible to do it, to go over. And we learn how to do it in our homeworks. Homework number 49. Great. Let's go to understand our pattern. As you notice, guys, I think everybody got it. It is adding 8. Adding 8. Adding 8. For everybody here, it is adding 8. Then it is this number 8 times the position. Always, guys, when you notice the pattern, it is 8 times something. Great, mister, I got it. Then use it. If I use 8 times 1, our number I need to have 9 here, plus 1. Now, 8 times 2, 16. To make 17, plus 1. 8 times 3, 24. Plus 1. Is it working? Uh-huh. 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 Great. Now here. 8 times 4 plus 1, which is 33. And the last one, 8 times 5 plus 1, 41. What is the equation here? Mister, the equation, it is. Let's write the equation. The equation is y. Why, mister? Because y is the quantity, the pattern, okay? The pattern or y, variable, whatever you're using, equals 8 times x plus 1. That's very easy. After that, he's asking number 1249. Guys, attention here. Out this position here, I'm telling you the pattern, the numbers here in the column y is 1249. I have my equation here. Which number am I talking about? This one. Well, let's write here 1249 equals 8x plus 1. What is the opposite to adding 1? We learn it is subtracting 1 here, subtracting 1 here. Equation now, it is 1248 equals 8x. What is the opposite to multiply 8? Divide 8, mister. Okay, let's divide 8. Divide 8, divide 8. And let's solve here. 8 divided by 8 is 1 equals x, okay. And the second one, mister, I don't know. Divide. Let's divide 1248 divided by 8. Which number times 8 is 12? Oh, it's... Okay. Which number times 8 is 12? It is 1. 12 minus 8, it is 4. Bring it down 4, 44. Which number times 8 is 44 or close to it? It is 5. 44 times 40, or minus 40, 4. Bring it down number 8. Which number times 8 is 48? 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Result here, 0. Position I talk about, I know the position 156. Term, it is my x. Great. Oh, mister, not too hard. Yeah, it's not. Very easy, very simple. In the summary, we have something like that. Attention. Great. Great, guys. I move my camera again. I think you got this. You have the video. You can watch it many times you want. It is amazing. Question 4. Oh, sorry. Level 4, question 9. Guys, right now, it is the zone of hard questions. I know it is hard. I know some of you complain a lot, but guys, you are able to do it with all information I've been working all this school year. Let's understand the pattern here. Linda was selling tickets for the school play. She sold 10 more adult tickets than children tickets, and she sold twice as many senior tickets as children tickets. Guys, one thing I like to help you when I have a word problem, it is read again and translate, pick all information, the first reading, okay? Read again, and write down the information you have. Great. Let's again. Linda was selling tickets. Guys, I really tell you, I would like to have pencil color to help you in the formative or summative. Why, mister? Take a look here, guys. Why pencil color helps so much in these activities. Linda was selling tickets for the school play. Okay. Sold 10 more adult tickets than children. Guys, what do you mean about 10 more adult tickets than children? Mister, I sold the children chickens plus 10 equals adult. And you write like that. It is adult. It is 10 more children. 10. I will write children as letter C. Okay. Oops. Only a more. And is C. And the last one is seniors. And she sold twice as many senior tickets as children. Right now, why pencil color? Look here. She sold twice as many senior tickets as children. Then I know my seniors. It is 2 C. Great. 2 times C. How do we write? Remember, guys, I told you many times. How do we write multiplication and addition? What does it mean? Well, mister, we know multiplication is repeated addition. How many C's do I have here? 2, which means, just for you know. Great. No problem. I think everybody remember here. Great, guys. We know all this information over here. We got the idea for how we can figure out and remember. I'll just write children here in green, just so you understand the other pattern. Great. A, write an expression. Expression is this statement. Don't need to write equal something. Represent the number of adult tickets sold. Write an expression represent the number of senior tickets. Oh, it's here. Blue and purple. Great. Let's go ahead. Tickets cost 5. Children tickets cost 2. Senior tickets cost 3. Linda made $700. Write an equation to represent the total ticket sales. Guys, right now, she like to understand how many tickets in the total. Great. Tell me, mister, I don't know. I don't know. Guys, I have two information important here. Each ticket cost for adult, children, and seniors, and the profit. Guys, if I have just one adult over there, how do I know the profit? Oh, mister, easy. 1 times 5, 5. If I have 2 adults over there, nah, easy, mister. 2 times 5, the profit is 10. Times 5, the profit it is 15. And 10 plus C. Oh, mister, you told me. Here, it is 5 times 10 plus C. Right down here in blue. Well, as we know, it is cost 5. It is 5 times 10 plus C. Now makes sense. Yes, makes sense. Let's go right now. Children. Guys, I'm looking for total. Total we know is addition. Okay, addition. Okay, addition. Total, then I'm adding tickets. I don't have just adult in the show. I have adult, children, and seniors. Let's go over now the children. Children, the same idea. How many children we have there? 2. The cost 2, the profit is 2 times the number of children is there. How many children I had there? Oh, sorry. 2 times C. Okay, we didn't know here. Plus 2 variable C. The double twice. Okay, $2 each children, we don't know how many, but we know this. And the last one, oh, mister, now it's easy. I got the idea. It is plus seniors cost 3. Then it is, senior no is C plus C, it is 3 times plus C, or 2 C's, doesn't matter. Equals what, mister? Equals 700. My profit. Mister, here's the equation. It is, mister, I don't know how to do 5 times a parenthesis 10 plus C. I don't know how to do 2C, 3 parentheses here. But we learned this in the first day of our class. What it is multiplication? Repeated addition. Then let's repeat addition over here. How many 10 plus C's I have? 5. Then write 5 10 plus C. 1, 2, 4, 10 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. How many 2 times C do I have here? Guys, 2 times C we know is C plus C, yes? I will just write here to be sure you understand here. 2 times C, you know it is, oh, let me write down. Plus C. Great. How many C plus C's do I have? Oh, just do this one, mister, you have. Okay, great. Erased here. 2 times C, we know it is C plus C. Great. Cost 2 here. And I think it's better here. Now the last one. I have how many C plus C? I have here 3's. Let's write down here. 1, 3 equals 700. Let's right now write this an equation. Well, mister, how many C's do I have? Let's figure out here. Let's figure out together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Do I have 13 C's? And how many 10s do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Combine like terms, how many 5s, how many 10s? 5, 50. Close. 700. To solve it, I hope. Yes, guys, two-step equation now. Just solve. Okay? As you know, here's the equation. You need to go and just solve here and see how many children chickens were sold. Guys, how many chickens were sold? Just solve the equation. 13 C's plus 50 equals 700. What is the opposite for adding 50? Subtract 50. Minus 50, which is, result now, it is 13 C's equals 700, 650. Number times 650, it is, 13 times what is 650? Let's divide. Okay, divided by 13, divided by 13, divided 13 here, another 13 here. Let's solve right now. The solution, it is 650 divided by 13. 13 goes to 65. It is 5. 5. And here it is 65 minus 65 is 0. Bring it down 0. How many times 13 goes to 0? 0. 13 times 0 is 0. Great. 50. How many children do I have in this play? Equals 50. Right here. Children. Guys, adults I had in this show, it is. Because the equation was children plus 10, yes? 15 plus 10. And seniors, guys, it is 2 times 50. 100. Yes, guys, it's easy. As I told you, it's not too hard. You need to think, read, understand the patterns. Last question. Create a copy of the table here and add 5 more rows to it. Okay, I add already here the rows, the table is done. You just need to complete the table. Take your list of the sequence and complete columns F and S. Note that, attention here for this instruction, sequence in column S starts with the second term of the original sequence. The last column is for writing down the calculation S plus F. S plus F, guys. S plus F here, which gives the ratio of successive terms. Great. Let's go right here, guys. Look, the second column, the S plus F. Let's solve here. Great. The pattern, as you notice, it is, and write down here, 1, 1, 1 divided by 1, it is 1. Great. Here, 1 and 2. Why, mister? Because it's 1 plus 1 equals 2. Great. It is 2 divided by 1, 2. Write down here the next one. It is 1 plus 2 equals 3. Nice, I got it. And 3, I repeat number 2 here, here. Okay, this number 2 here, I just move to here, as you notice. Great. 2 divided by 1, 2. 3 divided by 2, 1.5. Okay. Now the next term, we understand the pattern now, mister, I think. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Move 3 over there. 5 divided by 3. Guys, if you solve this one, 5 divided by 3, 1.666666666. Great. 1.123. I think you solved this one. Great. Now, the next one, let's go ahead, which is 3 plus 5 equals 8. I move this 5 there. 8 divided by 5. 8 divided by 5. It is 1.6. Exactly 1.6. Any question here, guys? 8 divided by 5. Let me do it again. 8 divided by 5 to be sure. 1.6 something. Let me write up the calculator. Sure about that. 8 divided by 5. 1.6. Great. Next one. We know the pattern. We know something happening here, mister. Okay, let's go ahead. 5 plus 8. It is 13. 13 divided by 8. Let's go. 13 divided by 8. 1.625. Let's go ahead. Next one. Blue now. 8 plus 13. 721. And then move 13 here. 21 divided by 13. 5. Okay, three significant figures. I told you, three significant figures. Great, let's go ahead. Next one, 13 plus 21, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 2, 3, 34, and 21. Let's divide here, 34 divided by 21. 5, 9, sorry. There's a pattern over here. You got it. Let me go ahead here. 34 plus 21, 55. Guys, right now just write in black, okay? I think you got the idea. 55, 34 here. 55 divided by 34. 1.617. 8. 55 plus 34, 89. And here is 55. Let's divide by 55. 1.618. Last one. 89 plus 55. 144. 89. Let's divide. 1.607. Almost 8. Great. We finish our table. Oh, mister, I noticed the pattern here. Told you in the activity we have a name for this. Great. What is the name? The name it is the golden ratio. I told you. Ratio. What is about the number in the third column? It is number in the third column. The third column. What's going on with the number? It is 1.617 something. The pattern. Great. And here, guys. It is. It is. We are adding here. Okay. How is the pattern here? The number is 1.617 something. Okay. Which is divide the first, or divide the third, the second column, dividing second column, first. You are divide the second by the first. And how do we know the first? It is the previous column, the previous row. Add the first and second column. Add the first and second column. And the result total right and the third column will write down the previous second column term. Great. If you describe these, don't leave like that, I wrote over here, just the idea, it's fine. The ratio, okay, what is the ratio here? It is 1.7 something. Great. What do you wonder about that? Oh guys, here's free. You can write anything you want. But the idea here it is, tell me what you wonder, what you discover, why you think this is a pattern, what you notice. Guys, here's a free, no problem, but you need just describe to me the pattern here and tell me what you think, why you think, what is the golden ratio name. Great. Guys, here's our formative number 5. Here's the video. You can watch many times as you want. And be sure you are on the way to solve. Thank you so much. Enjoy the day. And if you have any question, please let me know. Bye.